How to find trending sounds on TikTok. Finding popular TikTok sounds is actually very easy, and I'll start with the simplest and most obvious ways and then move on to more interesting ones. So the first and easiest way to find popular TikTok sounds is to open the For You tab where you watch videos. Start scrolling through the videos for a few minutes and you'll begin to notice recurring music that is being used in many videos. This way you can discover trending sounds on TikTok. In the second way of searching, you need to go to the video creation by tapping on the plus icon. Next, tap on the Add Sound button. Scroll down and you'll see a playlist of viral songs. You can also find popular sounds by tapping the search button on the main page located at the top right corner. Here type in viral sound or trending sound, go to the sound tab, and you'll see all the popular TikTok songs at the moment. In the next way of searching for popular music, you can use streaming platform results like Spotify or Apple Music. Open Spotify, go to the search selection and type in TikTok. The search will show a selection of trending music playlists. Creative Center is the best tool to find out what's trending on TikTok. To view trending music on Creative Center, simply go to this website in your browser. The link will be provided in the video description. This free tool displays the songs that are currently trending on TikTok, and you can filter the list by country. There are two excellent free websites that can help you track trending sounds on TikTok. You can visit Talkboard or Talkchart on the web browser to see what sounds are currently popular on the platform. Another way to find trending sounds on TikTok is by using YouTube. Simply search for trending TikTok songs on the platform and you will find many videos highlighting popular sounds on TikTok. In addition, there are many YouTube channels that specialize in documenting what's popular on TikTok, so you can discover new sounds and keep up with the latest trends. Thank you for watching. Please leave your likes, comments and share this video. See you in the next video.